Hi everyone, it's Teresa, and today I want to try making some dominoes. I have something in mind that I want to try, and we'll see if it works. A while back I had ordered some stuff off Temu, and my chameleon powders finally came. So this one here is blue, purple, red. So what I want to do is I want to paint the dots with the chameleon, and then I have Let's Resins Peacock Blue translucent dye, and then I have Recollections Paradise fine glitter. So I'm doing this monochromatic, so it'll all have different tints of blue, and I'm hoping it will work out. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess with this stuff. I've never used chameleon powder before, so I'm hoping it will turn out like I want it to. What I'm going to do is I am going to paint this on these raised edges, and then I'll clean it up, and then I want to use the resin. So I'm going to do just a couple of these, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to bore you by doing these on the whole video. And right now, from what I see, I'm making a huge mess. So let's do just a couple more, and then I'm going to pause the video, do them all, clean it up, and then get ready to pour the resin. Okay, we'll let this sit for a minute, and then I will pop some bubbles. I'm going to tap it a little bit Try and get some of the bubbles out. Okay, we're back. These sat overnight, so they should be completely cured. I'll tell you, I haven't even peeked at them, so I'm hoping they came out good. Well, I'm not seeing any air bubbles on the back, which is good. I can tell you I did not fill the mold up enough. But let's go ahead and check them out. Ooh, it's a pretty color. I probably should have used a different color for the chameleon powder because it didn't pop like I wanted it to. I was thinking I was going to do it monochromatic where the little indentations here would be a darker blue and then this would be teal, but it came out more of a green color. But I do like it. I think it looks really pretty. Let's check the rest of them out. Now you can tell there's a big size difference from not having the mold filled all the way. And really, this mold, this is one I got from Temu. So first time using it, I don't think it did bad. I can tell that I underfilled some of these. But they do have a nice weight to them. Yeah. Like you see how wide that one is and then how thin this one is? Definitely underfilled. But I think they look good. I'm happy with them. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about them. I don't have much experience with chameleon powder. This is literally the first time I've ever used it. And I did use a brand from Temu. So I guess I don't have anything to compare it to. So I don't know if this worked as expected. I know it is supposed to shift colors, and I'm not seeing that shift, but I'm wondering if it's because I have so much glitter here. Because this was supposed to go from blue to purple to red, and I see the blue and purple, but no red. Well, I think I would consider this a win. I will practice a little more with this, but I think I'll make some of these for Christmas for my kids. All right. Until next time. Bye.